All right, everyone, let's dive into today's topic, analyzing common obstacles to persuasion and their underlying causes. Imagine you're trying to convince someone to buy that high-ticket item or agree with your idea at work. Sometimes it feels like no matter what you say, they just aren't on board. But why is that? Let's break down some of the most frequent hurdles we face when persuading others. First up, resistance to change. People are creatures of habit and often feel uncomfortable leaving their comfort zone. It's natural to fear the unknown or worry about potential downsides. So how do you tackle this obstacle? Start by highlighting the benefits clearly and addressing any fears upfront. Show that the change isn't just beneficial but necessary for improvement. Next, there's skepticism. When someone doubts your claim or idea, it can derail even the most compelling arguments. The key here is to provide credible evidence and support from reliable sources. If you're selling a product, share testimonials or studies backing up its effectiveness. Build trust through transparency and honesty. Another common barrier is preconceived notions or biases. People often have existing beliefs about certain topics that are hard to shift. To overcome this, approach your argument in a way that aligns with their current views, gradually leading them towards your perspective. Use analogies or familiar references to make your point more relatable and easier to accept. Lastly, let's talk about time constraints. In today's fast-paced world, people often don't have the luxury of sitting down for an extensive discussion. Keep your pitch concise yet impactful by focusing on the key benefits right from the start. Use bullet points or summaries to ensure they grasp the main ideas quickly. So there you have it. Resistance to change, skepticism, preconceived notions, and time constraints are some of the biggest obstacles when trying to persuade someone. The good news is that with a bit of planning and understanding, you can overcome these hurdles effectively. Remember, persuasion isn't about winning every argument, but rather guiding others towards your viewpoint in a respectful and convincing way. Now go out there and turn those nitty-gritty details into compelling arguments.